Hey, what's up, YouTube? So we've got a project today. We're gonna be doing a battery on this Honda Recon 250. This is a 2017. It's been sitting for a while, about 6 months. So the battery is completely dead. So we're gonna be doing a battery replacement. I got my son with me. He's gonna be assisting. First thing we're gonna do is take off this seat. The battery's under the seat. There's a little lever on this side. And just pull up on it and you remove the seat. So we got Omar doing it. Put that aside for now. And the battery, like I said, is located under the seat right here. This one came with a little trickle charger that we didn't plug in, obviously, because the battery's dead. So Omar's going to be doing a test. He's going to be checking for voltage on this. We got a voltmeter, so we should be at about 12 volts on this. We'll see what we've got. So we go black lead on the black terminal, red lead on the red terminal. So the red is positive and the black is negative. And we show 7. We show 7.7 on this. So no way, no. We should be at about 12 volts, 12 point something. So we bought a new battery from Amazon, which is this one here. And we should be on this one, like I said, about at about 12 something. So we'll do a test on that, see what that reads. We'll set it right here so we can get a shot of that. And Omar's going to be testing it the same way. This one reads 1272, so we should be good. All right, let's go back to the quad. We don't need this anymore. We'll turn that off. So we're going to be using a screwdriver. This is actually mounted on a Milwaukee drill. So what we do is we take off these 2 screws right here. That's the black one, which is the negative one. All right. And this one comes with the new screw, so I guess we could reuse these, or we'll just use the new ones. We'll see. Do the other one. All right. So that comes off. I don't know if I'm going to reuse that. We'll see. We'll see at the end. All right. So these 2 cables are free now. There's a little strap that holds it down. So what you do is you pull down on this and then slide it to the side. You know, this is different. Okay, I see. So this one comes off if you force it forward and off of that hook, just like so. So the little strap goes around that hook and holds the battery in place. So this is coming off now. All right, so this is the one that came off of the quad. This is 14 BS on this. We got a 12 BS, which is a little shorter, but it's still a 12 volt, so we should be okay. So let's put that one back in there, Omar. So we'll move the little safety strap out of the way. We'll drop it in place. This is the red on my side, and then we got the black one on Omar's side. So we'll screw it back on there and see if it works. And like I said, it's been sitting for a while, so I don't think it's going to. I think the carburetor is going to be clogged up with old gunky fuel that turns into like honey, and it won't flow through the carburetor. So I don't think it's going to run, but we'll see. First things first. We'll get the battery on there, cable, and then the bolt. That way the bolt is holding it. So we got Omar installing the red one now, the positive one. He's got that one down. We'll do the black one now. And hopefully we won't let this thing die again. We'll keep it, we'll come out and run it at least once a week. We'll try to. So we don't have to go through this process again. All right, so he's gonna tighten it. Righty tighty. All right, got that one. All right, so he's finishing up with the red one. Should be good. And then we just have to hook the strap back on there. Got it. Now the battery's secure. So battery is on. We should have a light here on the neutral light. We did. He's gonna hit the run button. No go. So we'll do the choke on these when they've been sitting for a while. The choke is needed, so get some more air in the system. So we'll try it with that. See what happens. We'll give some gas too on this side. Try it, Omar. Yep. So just like we suspected, the carburetor's gummed up, so no go on that. Battery is good. We had 12 volts on that. So next up is going to be the carburetor. All right. So we got a little update on this. We found a can of mystery oil, Marvel mystery oil, which we just threw away, and we poured some of that in the gas. And we tried it, and then we got this result. Hit it, Omar. All right, so I guess the Marvel mystery oil works. Like I said, this fuel was at least 6 months old. It was flat, it was dead, and that brought it back to life. So, yep, we got a running quad. Good to go. We'll see you next time.